प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पिछले दिन मैंने लेसन 5 हिस्ट्री में कॉलोनाइज्म एंड ट्राइबल सोसाइटी के बारे में पढ़ाया था। उसी के अंतर्गत ट्राइबल रिवॉल्ट्स इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। ध्यान से देखें, जो समझ में ना आए पूछेंगे। ट्राइबल रिवॉल्ट्स इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन। The northeastern region of India comprises of 7 states where tribal population is quite dominant. As a result of their continued operation, many tribal communities protested against their exploitation at the hands of the British. The Khasis are the prominent tribe of Meghalaya, occupying the hilly region between Jaintia Hills and Garo Hills. They stood up in revolt against the British to construct a road passing through their area. Their revolt continued for 4 years. Their leader was Tirut Singh of Nankhalo. They burned European settlement and created much panic among the British officials. Finally, because of extreme pressure, Tirut Singh surrendered in January 1833. Another rebellion by the hill tribes, Sengpu, broke out in 1830. The Assamese too called upon other hill tribes like the Khamtis, Garos and Nagas to rise against the British. They attacked their troops stationed in Assam and killed many of them. They rose in revolt again in 1893, 1839 and once again killed many British people. The Nagas broke into insurrection in 1844. Thus, Kukis living in the Lusai Hills, Kukis living in the Lusai Hills and other hills of Manipur raised banner of revolt 1826, 1844 and 1849. They raided British territory and held the British forces at bay until they were finally subdued in 1850. The Chota Nagpur is made of thickly forested hills. The plateaus extending in the state of the West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha. It is home to several tribes like Santals, Kols, Mundas, Khonds, etc. The Kols were the first to revolt against the gradual extension of the British authority in their area. These freedom-loving people jealously guarded their frontiers for a long time. They resisted the attempt of the British official to enter their territory. Many of their villages were burned and people killed. In 1827, they surrendered but only temporarily. The Mundas to live in the Chota Nagpur region. They rose in revolt against the revenue policy of the British granting farming right to outsiders. The rebellion soon spread over Ranchi, Hazaribagh, Palmo and Manbhum district. The revolt was finally suppressed in March 1832, but their activities continued. They finally submitted to the British authority only in 1837. The Khondas of the Chota Nagpur region, lying in Odisha, also rose in rebellion against the British in 1846. They feared that the British would dispose them of their lands, force them into bonded labor, and impose heavy taxes. The rebellion was suppressed in 1848 and the Khonds were pacified when their exiled chief was reinstated. The Santhal rebellion of 1855-56 witnessed the culmination of a series of tribal uprisings in the Chota Nagpur region. The Santhal living in the Singhbhumi, Hazaribagh, Bhagalpur, Mongri, Birbhumi, Bankura, and Mayurbhanj were feeling hurt by the administrative and economic policies of the British for a long time. The imposing of the governmental control over the forest, the land, settlement measures, and the implementation of general laws had a shattering effect on the tribal economy and way of life. The simple tribal folk were exploited and cheated by outside traders and moneylenders. The British also were a party to their exploitation. At this time, the Santhals were inspired by the movement of socio-cultural reform. As a result, around 100 Santhal led by Sindhu and Khan gathered to free their land of foreign oppressor and set up a government of their own. The rebellion assumed a formidable shape within a month. Postal and railways communication were disrupted. The end of the company's rule and the commencement of the Santhal region were proclaimed. The house of the European planters, British officers, railway engineers, jamidars, and moneylenders were attacked. Ultimately, the government had to bow down their demands of Pass and Bengal tendency at the Santhal area are recognized as a separate entity known as the Santhal Parganas, and the Santhals were recognized as national minority. Birsa Munda. It is also tribal society. The Mundas, also called Horoko, are major tribe of India which populate the Chota Nagpur Plateau region in Jharkhand. The practice sedimentary cultivation. After the revolt 1857, another attempt was made at rebellion by Birsa Munda. He had enjoyed the German mission but reverted to the original Munda faith of his ancestors. Later he promulgated a new faith and attracted many disciples who saw him as a prophet or incarnation of God who had supernatural power. His popularity alarmed the British government. The authorities arrested him but had to release later following a taut tribal resistance. Soon after his release, Birsa resumed his activities, facing a severe famine and epidemic. The tribals resisted the imposition of non-tribal peasantry on them, which disposed them of their hands. Munda organized a militant force by training them in warfare. His train followed mission house, British settlement, police station of New Jamidas in the ensuing retaliation by the British. Many rebels were arrested and scores were killed. A hunt was launched to capture Birsa, who was later arrested and locked in jail, where he died of cholera in 1900. You also read quick recap himself and learn main points of this lesson and note MCQ, fill in the blanks, tick mark, आंसर एंड मैचिंग करके लाएं। हम इसे कल भेज देंगे। इतना कर लाएं। धन्यवाद।